Chef Freddy here from Fantasy Springs with my tip of the week. This week, Rosemary Brined Buttermilk fried chicken. First, for the Rosemary Brined, get a pot on the stove, about a tablespoon of oil, 1 medium onion. Next, you want to add 4 smashed garlic cloves. So after about 3 minutes, even before they brown, you want to add your salt. You add a good 3 tablespoons of salt. The salt is what helps make the brine. About 5 nice sprigs of rosemary. I took 5 sprigs and I cut them in half again. Let that saute in there a little bit. Next, you need the juice of 1 lemon. You want to add 4.5 cups of water. Now you want this to simmer for just a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes at the most. Make sure the salt is dissolved. Then you want to do is chill this. You can do it real quick in an ice bath or in the refrigerator. Once it's chilled, you take your chicken, you put them in, you put your pieces into a nice big plastic bag. That bag fits into another container that's sturdy enough to hold it. You pour your brine into there, you shake it around a little bit, you seal that bag, you put that in the fridge. Now I've had my chicken in this brine for 24 hours. What you want to do is you want to get it out and you want to put it on a rack, or you can put it right on the paper towels, but you really want this to drain and dry. We're going to now make a seasoned flour. Take all-purpose flour, good heat tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon paprika, good tablespoon of kosher salt, cayenne pepper, just about a teaspoon, good tablespoon of baking powder. Blend that together. Now take your flour and separate it into 2 equal parts. Now take a separate bowl and pour about 2 cups of buttermilk. We're first going to dust it in the first half of the seasoned flour. Then it goes into the buttermilk. Then from the buttermilk, it goes into the second portion of flour. And we'll coat that again real nice. Then it goes on the rack. Let it sit for a while, let it air dry before it gets fried. You want to place it in tabletop fryer-lator. And if you're using a pan or this type, do not overcrowd the chicken. You need a thermometer though, because you need to bring that to about 350. You don't want it too hot, you don't want it too cold. You want it right at 350. This is going to cook all the way in here. So it's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. And there you have it, Rosemary Brined Buttermilk Fried Chicken. I'm Chef Freddy from Fantasy Springs, and I'll see you next time. Forget about it.